Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry all of the Streamlight TLR rail-mounted lights and lasers. This is brand new and includes a green laser along with the 1000 lumen light for long guns. The part number is 69453 for the light and laser with the long gun kit, but this is the part number 69454, which is only for the light and laser. So the light comes with a key kit, so it fits on your rail, and one key is obviously missing because it's already factory installed on the light, and that's the universal one key. We're also going to get rid of the packaging. It comes with the E-clips and install and remove tool. That's to securely fasten the light to your gun. Comes with a wrench, and that's going to be for the laser adjustments, the elevation and windage here. So real quick, we got to install the batteries for this thing to work. So we're going to undo the LED, and we're going to take the positive side down of the CR123 lithium batteries, and we're going to put that facing downward into the light, and then put the LED back on. Now the batteries are installed and ready to operate. Before I continue, make sure to subscribe right now so you're alerted of new videos, discount codes, specials, and new product releases. So to operate the light and laser, you're going to simply press the button and you're going to hold for momentary on. So as you can see, you can potentially see that green laser in the middle of the light. And this again is 1000 lumens with the green laser. But once I release my finger, the light turns off. All right. So if you want to put this on permanently, you're going to press quickly and release. And as you can see, the light and the laser turn on and stay on. And then if we want to cycle through the different settings, so that was the light and the laser, and this is going to be the light only, and the same function applies. If you quick release, it's permanently on, and if you just hold and release the finger, it turns off. And then the next setting, we're going to change that, is going to be that green laser. And again, same functions apply. Now, if you want to turn on the strobe setting on the light, you're going to use Streamlight's 10 tap feature. So I'm going to press this button 10 times quickly, and on the 10th time I'm going to hold, you're going to see the strobe come on and then turn off. And now you know it's programmed. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm holding. The strobe comes on, turns off. I can release. Now to activate the strobe, which you can activate with the laser or without the laser, I'm going to press 2 times quickly. So if I press 2 times quickly and hold, that's momentary. And then once I release, it turns off. And if I want this on permanently, again, I'm going to press quickly twice, but immediately release. 1, 2. As you can see, took my thumb off of that, and now we have the strobe on permanently. I press that again, it turns off. Now, if I want this back to factory settings so there's no strobe, I'm going to do the 10 tap feature again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm holding. The light goes to steady, turns off. Now it's back to factory set. These normally cost $270.68, but if you use code YT10 at checkout, it will cost $243.62, and that includes free shipping. The same deal applies for all the other TLR models as well, although prices may vary. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up right now, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you.